Hey everybody. Just wanted to show you around my resources that I've been building for Anki. Um, I- I'll give you a link to this page, but this is my GitHub repository. GitHub is just a place where uh, programmers can store computer code online for free, but it doesn't have to be computer code. It can be any type of files. So this is freely available. You don't have to sign up for an account or anything to get this. Just follow the link. It'll either land you on this page or on the next page. If you get here and it says Spanish here, just click on the Anki folder. You can look around everything in here, but we're focusing on Anki right now. The Anki folder has text files in it, which you can download and then import into Anki. So you scroll down here, you can see some instructions how to get Anki. You can get other decks that are freely available online. That's basically what these are, is just free decks. I'm not putting them on the Anki website because they have space restrictions and things like that. So I'm just putting them here where everybody can get to them all the time. Once you download them, you just save it to your computer and then upload it, import it into Anki from your computer. And if you're interested in creating your own files, I gave you a prompt here that you can enter into AI. So you can use it. I use it with Claude and Grok, but you could probably use it with ChatGPT or Gemini or whatever you like to use. Just edit the prompt to be, if you want it focused on beginner, if you want words, phrases, or sentences, and then whatever topic or verb you want it to focus on. That's it'll give you a good file, and you might need to copy and paste into something on your computer or whatever, but that prompt will let you build your own custom decks for whatever you're interested in studying. If you want to download one of these files, what you would do is click on the file. You could, well, you could download everything, but if you click on the file and then you go up here to this right corner where it says raw, and you'll see that it says download a raw file. If you click on that icon, then it'll prompt you to save, and then you just save to wherever on your computer. And then Anki, go into Anki, and then in Anki on the opening screen here, down here on the bottom, it says import file. So click that, and then you just pick whatever file you want to import, double click it, and you'll get a screen that looks like this. And this is showing you what it's going to import. Make sure that your separator, if it lets you select it, make sure that that's correct. I put my existing notes to duplicate. I think the default is update, but that will change things, and it doesn't really tell you where it's changing it. It's just like you run into it eventually, but you don't know what it did. I just put it on duplicate, so yeah, you have more than one of the same note, but oh well, you're practicing that anyways. Yeah, that's about it. So then up here at the top, you hit import, and then that says that it found 30 new notes, imported 30 new notes. Click on show. It'll take you to a screen that looks like this, which is just your next screen and all the notes it imported. Not really important, but then when you get back here, you have to refresh this somehow. Just click on Dex or whatever. But yeah, I imported ear, and so these are the new things that I imported, and it's going to give me 20 out of that whole file to practice today. And this is all configurable in your settings. If you go into options, you can set, you know, all your maximums and minimums, and all. There's a bunch of stuff to set in here, so I won't go into that right now. But that is how you import an Anki file from this repository, and then you can download all of them. And if you want to download everything, you can get everything. Go back here to the Spanish folder. So this is the main folder with everything in it. If you go up here to this code button, you can download the whole thing as a zip. You'll get all the files in here. So that's an option for you too. Yep, hope this helps you, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.